Suisun City, California. Where is it exactly? Is it a nice place to live? Is it affordable? What are the most desirable areas? Today we're going to discuss 4 very popular neighborhoods. I'll give you a great feel for home styles, average price points, and a quick overview of Suisun City itself. Let's get started. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Erica Monroe. I'm a Bay Area realtor with RE/MAX Gold, and I specialize in Solano County. Suisun City is located in Solano County, right off of I-80 and Highway 12. It's about 45 miles from San Francisco and about 45 miles southwest of Sacramento. Its closest neighboring city is Fairfield, and much of Suisun actually runs parallel to Fairfield. Suisun and Fairfield actually share a lot of commonalities, such as school districts, shopping, and amenities. What makes Suisun so special is its very unique topography. It offers for a huge variety of scenery, from the Suisun Marsh, Suisun Valley with vineyards and wineries, and the marina at the Suisun Bay. Suisun was this little hidden gem, but it's become really popular in the last 5 years or so, with rising home prices to match. It's, however, still considered one of the Bay Area's most affordable cities, and even compared to neighboring cities such as Vallejo and most of Fairfield. You can still find really great starter homes and newer, more expansive houses. Peterson Ranch is a very desirable neighborhood located off of Walters Road and is one of Suisun's newer developments. Most homes were built between 2003 to 2008. There are single and 2-story homes ranging roughly between 1,600 square feet and 2,800 square feet. Homes have stucco exteriors and tile roofs. Many have long driveways and detached garages. Some floor layouts feature oversized living rooms with more separate and defined kitchens, while larger floor layouts will feature a formal living room and an open concept kitchen to family room. Several of the larger homes also feature a bedroom and a full bathroom downstairs. Peterson Ranch has no HOA fees. However, it's important to note that there are some smaller Mello-Roos and special assessment taxes, which covers landscaping and helps to maintain the development. There are some green belts, green spaces, and a public park within Peterson Ranch. This year, in 2021, there have been roughly 14 recorded sales within Peterson Ranch. Price ranges from $500,000 to $695,000. There are a handful of active listings right now, which are larger in size, roughly about 2,600 square feet, and are priced in the higher 600s. Peterson Ranch does feature some of the most expensive homes in Suisun City. However, the great news is our county loan limit will be increasing to $647,000 for a conforming conventional loan in 2022. So those buyers that were restricted by our current limit, which is $550,000, may have options to consider Peterson Ranch in the future. Montebello Vista is a very established neighborhood also off of Walters Road, just south of Peterson Ranch. Montebello Vista features mostly single-story ranch-style homes ranging in size from about 1,300 square feet to about 1,700 square feet. As with most established neighborhoods, the lot sizes are larger. So the minimum lot size is typically around 6,000 square feet. Many feature RV or boat parking, and some homes back to open space with no rear neighbors. Houses in Montebello were built between the early 1980s to early 1990s, typically featuring 3 to 4 bedrooms and usually 2 full bathrooms. There have been about 10 recorded sales, and prices have ranged between $485,000 to about $600,000, most hovering in the low to mid $500,000s, which makes Montebello a great option for starter homes or those folks that are looking to downsize. Lawler Ranch is a large development located off of Highway 12, making it one of the most accessible and convenient developments in Suisun City. Lawler Ranch features homes built between 1989 and 2001 with stucco exteriors, tile roofs, usually Spanish, Mediterranean, or contemporary in style. Home sizes vary significantly in Lawler Ranch, on the smaller end around 1,700 square feet up to about 3,500 square feet. Most homes feature nice, tall 9-foot ceilings. Larger floor plans have open concept kitchens to family rooms and typically include a bedroom and a full bath downstairs. Lot sizes also vary significantly, and some of the larger homes are on a quarter-acre lot, often with RV or boat parking, some with in-ground pools and oasis-style backyards. Similar to Peterson Ranch, Lawler Ranch has no HOA fees, but it does have some smaller Mello-Roos or special assessment taxes specific to that development. They typically range around $600 per year. There have been about 36 recorded sales just in 2021 in Lawler Ranch. Prices have ranged from $465,000 to about $665,000. The large range, of course, equates to the different sizes of homes and sizes of lots available within Lawler Ranch. Current active listings in Lawler Ranch are hovering right around $650,000 to upper $600,000. They're taking over a month to sell right now because we have a conforming loan limit again of that $550,000. And that restricts a lot of buyers because they just don't have the cash to make up the difference between $550,000 and the purchase price. Our loan limits are going to increase in 2022, so Lawler Ranch and some of its vast homes may be a great option for buyers in the future. The final neighborhood we're discussing today is Quail Glen, which is located right off of Highway 12, bordering Walters Road and up to Bella Vista Drive. Quail Glen houses were built between 1977 and the late 80s, featuring single and two-story houses with wood siding, composition roofs, many with large expansive driveways allowing for RV or boat parking. Home sizes range from 1,000 square feet for a ranch-style house to about 2,400 square feet for the largest two-story home. Most houses consist of 3 to 4 bedrooms, 2+ bathrooms, and most houses feature all bedrooms on the second floor. Most houses in Quail Glen have been selling between the mid $500,000 up to $600,000. So Quail Glen is again a great option for some starter homes or some larger secondary options. There's so much more to cover for Suisun, so stay tuned for part 2 of other desirable neighborhoods. Check out my video for pros and cons of Fairfield, as well as most desirable neighborhoods of Fairfield, to give you a great overview of another city that Solano has to offer. Thanks so much for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, ding that little bell so you're notified when I post my next video.